Wow, Akwaba and found Bragan and Sam TV GH so. What frame Adjoa searching.
Kwano otugo there we Kwasia pagins of Krobo abua.
Enya wona wa ye nti na wo ma obrai.
Kromfo eti se wo.
Mawia wa de.
Come to abodam abua.
Munya no mane ka de obeka. Oh Smith. Woni makwa nyina free so mewia na kama gya kire no. Abua toriwa. Onfo ate na o ka se de mo be di agro. Wo ti we de obedi kura woni. Wo ti wa na wo ye dede. Dia wo be di kura woni. Wo defend chama wo to me. Masa mo manya sani mra so na munyi Kwasia ni free so na me komanim. Abua biba. O ka se be di agro. Se TV the radio na anya sa professionalism so. Wo di matemedi watem because me ni watem. Se me na wa be so ne de. Wo mama be so me no he wa bo wo dam aboa bi ba wo to de obedi kura woni wo do ho ba toto me siaman wa bo bra ka nya no sa wo dali siri akola no wa bo bra enka wo nya siri akolen wo si ase chama wo tumi na wani abra wo difa no ko nim wo aboa man wo ka say de be chamo akromfo asefo akromfo me se mo ma ba tire opposition wo dam e na ebo mo no me ade bia ni wo abubu mi o. Se wa wi ose de obeye na bubu me Kwasia man na wa bobra ka wo de me na be yi so se wa bobra ka ne me be yi so radio so ana TV so kurasi ni ti se wo wo fi wate na wo me busu kam de wa yi musio wo me busu ba kam de wa yi musio bi ko ni nyansa aboa ba wo se me ka good morning wo ka nyansa se ma no ato aso kan Kwasia ma no yi wa firi so TV no nya wo dia media se do agongo dia ma me media dia me penam de beye aboa unfi wate what me ka yanko wo kanya sasema no agina so ba cho so me ho ye pa
na me sra oi
journalist fu wo krom ha mo agenda makwaji sika mo seti agenda nti mo nka no kure no me say nyame betwia mu nyina mo ka mo ma be yale adade mo ma be ma mu serious problem me nkoti ya Titi bi ya yeso wo Dwonso kete so a wo ye adwuma wo nua TV na funu se bo fruit na nim dendenden za tete kwame nkruma na ni sure no wo de drive car wo ya Titi aboa Kwasia wo di akufo ado atem aboa yi wo beti ma hwe nipa tan kura wo school ya koka musi ya kufu adu free as it as nyani bottom sika enyani bottom sika aban we ayi mahama aban onya bi miere mahama aban oma university for your friends scholarship oma university for free education ni ehu sampa enyani bottom muka se yize tikasi ari adwen amana muka se yize enkwasi asem kwa na wo journalist ni a wo Dwonso kete so ya Titi wo Dwonso kete so wo timi kasete ya kufu adu ne ba omi amamu ya Titi utimi kasete ya kufu ado ne ba omi amamu nyambe twa mu nyina muka wo.
Agree with most of the decisions that President Jerry John Rawlings here you know yantida say yetumi ma obi sika say fa Rawlings got na ho ne didi na tem. All we did was to point out the inhumane act of Rawlings. 2, we did not say that because we did not win an election, we are going to make sure that government business does not go on. But under John Dramani Mahama, they spent 8 years. And this is where Jimmy Forno. We a quick warm up for you people. You people spent 8 years, paid thousands of dollars. As a matter of fact, there's a guy called Anajantwa who came to say, man, $2,000. So it is true. NDC, Mahama, man, $2,000 say, Onko di nanado atem. It happened in Ghana. So I'm not speaking from a vacuum. I'm speaking from experience. I'm speaking from things that we have experienced while we were in power and NDC was in opposition. They bought the whole media to the point say, Yetumika chere Ghana ni say, Nane papa nene maami to me in school. Nanso aban bi ba no be hwe ni school a onye hwe. This is how these people turn Ghanaians' mind to. Omanya no de dum somu na the barber shop eguo, ni cold store eguo, hello SKB, ni cold store eguo, ni bibi eguo. Ye to me come and to Ghana ni tiri mu say, dia obaya wo cold store gu ye no. Dia obaya went to me anko fa nam na wo fa ye say ye. Dia Obaya went to me to Edumaya Dia Obaya Sebio Eduma Yedijano from President Mills no more time Minano went to me better than the Obaya Sebio what to me procure ambulance diama every constituency for your pomuteni. What to me ama enkoda over 5.7 million ako school free. Yes, see a no more the papa. Yet to me Tom and the Togana for 3. More than a did attempt be another baby and any perfect. Abrochile for bon seman anato. Abanama for bon seman anato. And this is for because they are not in power. Service and another Trinity cry the 2 or more and yamofe. And a mutu cabal good we as say Munko Dinko for atem. Munko din another atem Munko diba we atem Munchi form. Take them to the cleaners. By Ofoswampofo or Simon for Munko cleaners. Namunko Jarium. Mumfa di atem en Jarium for the first time me Ofoswampofo. Me ye elder there, then so na me shemuni na bose. Okohuna okona so okohu so for did na tem. That time no. Na NDC for religious and moral education teachers no. That time no na NPP religious and moral education teachers no muni morals. Bupeni, suropeni no na omadeda. Because na do dey say be no ya kola otua sebe enufu ano. Ebra ye di na do atem munchimani yira ye se montehwe monte se dogo bi kura no abe. Ye di na tem mun di na do atem mun se no mun tichi no de onye ye kura se wa ye de onko ye. You people did all these stupid things with no basis. And I'm the man some cheap-minded boka Ghana for Jimmy for kakra bi eframo. Ekotoye. And I hear NPP for Kwasia for kakra na eka hono so say sa de aye nkoto aba ene yetena ho. And a more we baby di yeso. Na normal baby yeso na yeso ye hold them to the whole same standard. I must say the NDC for almost say NDC for almost say and na yeso ye di mo mahama na temu almost say musi ye nyai. And na the morals ye mbu penin or your president or your bua mame. NDC for mutie or your president me or your bua mame because the same way ya moka say na nado ya bua no the same way na John Mahama so ya bua mo muji. Yen start here. Me see I grow we yen start you. I grow we yen start here. And I'm going to see me Kenya. Who said me? I always promise you say media review. Opa NDC will go for supplementary budgets. They will seek say parliament and more musika more. No mutumin completing the more person more. Opa will be a marking the baby. Media review. They are going to bring that. Now no na may change. So that it will come and confirm my prophecy. It will come and confirm what I told you people on this page. And then I can start firing these fools. More. And then the yedi atemu eya. And then the yedi atemu eya. Sebium prediasa. And ya bronsam na abetine binimua. And kanana bene Mahama. Why na abobra? Mahama tiwe. Se nya Kromfo ni adwene boni ne woni tirimua. Nanado etuye ni school fees pay. Eye fact. Onu ankasa agiatum. It is true. It is true. Nanado bua John Mahama in his education. Monsieur Tumika Sebio Mahama dio to me top air flights. Ekufuado dio to me. Mahama to me fa business class. Ekufuado nko fa trot. Mahama to me num a bon vita. Ekufuado nko num dudu. This